Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about string methods in Python. First we will see what is SWAPCASE. SWAPCASE is used to convert lowercase to uppercase as well uppercase to lowercase. Let's see with an example. So in this we are going to convert all the letters lower to upper as well upper to lower by using SWAPCASE. See, all the cases will be converted. So this is the use of SWAPCASE function. We are going to see what is find function. So find function used to know the index position of a given string input. So if you want to know the particular indexing position of a given string input, we can use this find function. So in this input, I want to know the position of the character V. So what is the position here? 10. So our indexing position always starts with 0. So the V position is 10. And we have one more option for find. What is the option? I can able to give a starting position for find. So what is the position I want to begin for my searching? So if I give a position like 12, what will happen? It will give me the value as -1. So what is the reason behind that means? So I cannot find the value for this particular character V from this position. So in this case, it will return the value as -1. Okay, so this is the reason for this. And you can give one more option, both starting and ending. So if I begin with 8 and if I give 16, what will happen? It will give you the value as 10. So I can give both starting and ending value, only a starting value. Otherwise, simply you can give the search character alone. Okay, you have a 3 option for finding the particular character. So this is a use of find particular method. We are going to see what is index method. So index method is also similar to find only. This is also used to know the indexing position of a particular character. After this example itself, we'll copy this one. We'll go to the next box. So instead of find, I'll go with index. So then why should we go for an index? So both is returning the same value. Then why we can go for this one? See, so first time for V, it will return the value as 10. And second time, when I'm trying to find the indexing position of V from 12th position, I am unable to find the character V from 12th position. That time, it is returning the error as value error. Whenever I'm unable to find the particular character, that time it's raising an error as value error. In this case, find will give you the -1 value, but indexing position will give you the value error. And if you command this one, so from 8 to 16, you will get the same result as 6. So instead of V, if you want to try for some other character also, you can do. Okay. So whatever it is, you can get the same. Okay. So for B character also, we are getting something because B also we cannot find from 8 to 16 because it is beyond the element. Okay, so that is what we are getting value error. Okay, so that is the purpose of index. So we have one more type, that is count. So how we can use count? Count also we have three options. Simply you can use count, otherwise you can give starting position alone, and you can give both starting and ending. So in this, what is a character we can count for a number of times? I hope we have a character L for repeated times. Okay, so I'm going to count L for repeated times. So capital L, and here as well, L. So totally uppercase letter I have for 5 times. Here also 5 times. Here 0 times. Because from 8 to 16th position I don't have character. So if I begin from 1 to 13, so till I don't have a position. If I begin with 5, till I don't have a position. If I go back to 19, still I don't get any position. Okay, something strange. Let's try with 20. Let's increase to 27. Yeah, from 20 to 27, I am getting some one of my count. Okay, so this is a use of count function. Okay, so we'll see you in next video. Thank you guys.